everyone, my name is Arjit Singh.
And I am Arundhati Dogra.
As you know, we are the YouTubers of PAU BSc Agriculture third year.
So we have a YouTube channel. Its name is AgriCost Communication Team.
We take interview of many people like NRI people and put it on our YouTube channel.
So basically we have covered the international students of PAU as well as the students that are living in Ludhiana.
So from all of us, only 4 students record the interview, and the whole team work as cameraman, video editor, and many things. So we one by one introduce all of them, as many are of them cameramen and many are of them video editors. So Anshuman take an interview of a person, and that is from Bangladesh.
I took an interview of a person named Imon Singho from Bangladesh. Usually I have a myth that NRI people are very self-reserved people. They don't talk too much about themselves to anybody else. This myth was broken when I met that person first time. He was a very nice guy. We talked a lot, we laughed a lot, we shared our experiences, our personal habits, and there was a lot in common about him and myself, and about his country and my country. So it was overall a very nice experience.
What did you learn about yourself in the interview?
From the thing I learnt about myself is that I was very conscious about myself, and I usually think that nothing is much worth to put effort on anything. So this myth was broken, and I felt happy when I took the interview of that guy. He was,
Will you continue this?
yes, ma'am. Obviously. Thank you.
So now I would like to call our most hardworking Arundhati Dogra as she took interview of two people, one from Zimbabwe and one from South Africa.
Hello everyone, I am Arundhati Dogra. So I took 2 interviews of the 2 girls. The first girl, she was Chemiso. So she is the first year agriculture student in PAU only. So we interacted much about the language that is spoken in her country as well as the languages that are spoken in our country. We also discussed about the food that she liked in Punjab. So she told that she liked the aloo parathas of the mess very much, and she had even tried the saag. So I suggested her that she should also try that makki ki roti, but she didn't understand what's it. So I tried to make her understand that makki ki roti is the corn roti of yellow color. So you should try it with that. So this was a mixed experience. Also she shared that her experiences of the PAU, the lecture system, the education system, and all those things. The second interview I took of the girl named Karen. She was from Zimbabwe. So recently she has been shifted from Jalandhar. So basically she was studying law in LPU, Lovely Professional University. Now she has come to Ludhiana at CT University, and she would be continuing her internship at CT University. So basically she had just settled there in Ludhiana just 2 to 3 days ago. So I just requested to please come, and I need your time, please come. So she was saying I'm very busy with that work. So the thing that I learned is how to have the managerial skills, because the need to pursue people that you want to do your work as well as compare their time and take out your time. So do that time management, then learn about their cultures and their languages. And she also shared many experiences of her life. Like when she came to the India, so she expected like India aisa hoga, India would be like Canada. So she didn't expect it like Canada, so she was shocked. So all those experiences were very nice, and I liked it very much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Arundhati. Now I would like to call Miss Gulin. We are going to share her experience.
Hi, Gurleen took the interview of a Nepali boy. He was Anjan Supeti. He was a 4th year agriculture student. He was continuing his Ravi program, and I asked him to spare some time for the interview. Then he told about the Ravi program that he was taking care of honeybees in the Antro farm. And I asked about whether he faced some difficulties about that, and about the role model he considered in his life. He considered father as his role model. Then I asked about his first impression about PAU. That was not so good. He told that he came here in the lockdown, and that the online classes was not so well. And for the interview, Hajot was a video editor, and Harpreet and Mehak were the cameramen. And
And your experience was good?
Yes, ma'am. I felt confident about taking the interviews, and I will continue.
Taking such interviews.
Yes.
Thank you, Janine. Now I would like to call Matthew to share her experience as cameraman.
Hello everyone, I am Mehakpreet Kaur. I am member of communication crew. We were assigned the task to take interviews from 5 international students, and I was the part of one of the interviews. I was the camera person in the interview. We took the interview of Camiso. She is from Lesotho, South Africa. I met her before few times in mess as we share same mess. She is a student, first year student of College of Agriculture. So I requested her to spare some time and give us the interview. She was very excited for the interview, and we learned many things about her as she knows 4 or 5 languages. How is her experience in PAU? What are the difficulties she is facing in the PAU university? And she shared all of these. And one of the major concerns or difficulties she is facing is the language barrier, but she is slowly overcoming as the professors are also cooperating with her. And one of the things which I learned from her was that when we asked her about her role model, she told that she herself is her role model, which was very impressive. And she told that we should listen to our mind, we should listen to our gut, we should see ourselves as our role models, and we should see our past, compare our past to our present so that we can improve more.
Thank you, Matthew. Now I would like to call Gautam to share his experience as
Myself, Kopi Mata. I firstly record a video, Ashdeep Singh with my Nepali friend, which name is the ROM, and my video is edited by Ramkar Singh.
Thank you, Gautam. Now I would like to call Anurag to share his experience as he didn't take any interview, but he make a video on a topic. Please.
So I am Anurag Grover, and I had made a video on topic nature elements of PAU, as I was already amazed by the beautiful landscapes of Punjab Agriculture University. So it is a great experience that I recorded that views, that landscapes with you all, and I faced the camera first time, so it was a good experience.
So all the cameramen, let's know the cameramen in the picture. Who are the cameramen?
Please, cameraman Sukhman. Sukhman.
कैमरा टीम कौन सी थी वो सारी आ गए आगे हो गया ना बेटा अच्छा so you took the interview of which person? You were involved in the interview of which person?
From Nepal.
Okay, and you? Both went for the Nepali student.
Now I did an interview of Anjan Trivedi by Cooking.
Okay, and you also did the same? Okay.
I'm Camiso from South Africa.
Okay, so you people took care of the camera, right? And did you earlier do such kind of thing? Were you earlier involved in any such activity? You did the camera thing? Right? So did you edit it yourself or somebody else edited it for you? Who were the editors then? Who were the video editors? Some video editors come in the picture? What software did you use to edit? Okay, and you? So you edited all these?
It's not again to the interview.
So you edited? And you edited for? And for the rest, you edited the rest of the interviews? You edited for the all rest of the interviews, you edited. Which software did you use? Okay. So did you use this software earlier as well, or was it the first time that you used this software? First time. Will you continue using this software now? You'll be making more of Instagram reels using this software? Right? Okay. Overall, the experience of the team working together, how was it? Did you all forge new bonds now? Did you all become better friends now?
Yeah.
of people. So give a big round of applause for this.
Ma'am, but we want to say one thing, that the people that came from Nepal, Bangladesh, they face a problem here, that they said the teachers speak in Hindi with us class, so we face that there is a communication barrier in between us. So ma'am, I think we have we can
use this platform to send this message, yeah.
So please, I request to all the teachers to please compromise with them, so as they can't understand
So
Hindi.
let's not say compromise, but also keep in mind their requirements and their hindrances, and let's have a better communication where they can also understand,
Yes, ma'am.
right,
So-
in a language that they can understand.
And ma'am, we also feel proud to be part of this university because people from outside of India are coming here
Coming
to study. So thank you.